Assalamu alaikum. This is the presentation about the project design and development of back support system for maintaining spinal health. So basically, this is for the startup. Now here is the group members: Dr. Shamal Rashid, Muhammad Abubakar, Mohsen Siddiq, and Abdul Basit. So we will continue the presentation. So the layout of the presentation is introduction, problem statement, aims, and objectives. So in the introduction, we have the comparison of the pain location. Here we can see the comparison of pain location, that is with respect to the other regions. Back pain is more, and the global comparison also shows that the back pain is located in each and every country, and it is a rising aspect in every country. You can see the percentage, and the back pain is more compared to the other regions of the body. So to the next slide. Now here we can see the data gathered by the Pakistan Shifa International Hospital. So basically, the Pakistan Shifa International Hospital conducted a research and shows that the back pain is found more commonly in office workers, bankers, pilots, teaching, and many more. So a total of 375 patients with lower back pain were interviewed regarding the risk factor. So the main point of interest is that the office workers, business, teaching, audit, banker, pilot all have the sitting position. So the sitting position is also a key aspect in the back pain. So to the next slide, here you can see the different regions of the spine. So the location of interest is the lower back region. So the lower back region is basically the lumbar region, and you can say the L5 discs. So there are basically 5 discs: L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. So we have selected L5 disc. So the lumbar region has the more pain as compared to the other thoracic and cervical. We are having the point of interest at the lower region. So while working, the person cannot sit at the 90-degree position, and he or she has to bend to work for the computer. So here you can see the person typing in the video we have placed here. So you can see the person on the chair. Now in the next slide, you can see the ergonomics of the person. So in the office working environment or sitting environment, in any case, you cannot maintain the standard sitting position. So you have to bend from of some time. So they basically, if you are sitting on a 90-degree position, so you have to work at the 90-degree position because that is the ergonomic posture for maintaining the spinal health. So over 1 hour, 2 hour, the person becomes agitated, and he or she bends and makes some movements. So that are the cases for the back pain. So to the next slide. So basically, due to this bending, the person has some stress on the body, so it is sort of back muscle. For back muscle stresses or the internal disc pressure, so here you can see the pressure on the disc. So the safe limit is about 0.1 megapascal. So here you can see the safe limit. So we have to maintain the spinal position, and as well as we have to do some sort of research to uh, research to protect our back. So to protect our back, we have to use some other sort of methods. So here you can see we have to make the back support exoskeleton. So the exoskeleton for human spine is basically a mechanical device that is used to provide external support and assistance to spine. So it is typically worn outside the body, and it can help improve the posture, provide stability, and reduce the load on the spine during office work. This exoskeleton will especially support the region of spine where lower back pain cause. So in the next slide, we have the problem statement. So basically, what is the problem? The problem is to reduce the lower back pain in the lumbar region of spine by making a passive type exoskeleton for office work. A person is in sitting position and bending from 90 to 60 degree forward in sagittal plane. So basically the aim and objectives are: the aim of this project is to develop a compact and cost effective passive exoskeleton for lower back support during forward bending in 90 to 60 degree in sagittal plane for office work. So basically it is not meant for the only for the purpose of the officer, but the for the people who are doing work in sitting position. So the objective is to design the mechanical components for development of a passive exoskeleton, to create a CAD model of individual components of passive exoskeleton, to perform finite element analysis for structural stability and smooth functioning of exoskeleton. So these are the references. So basically these are the references from where we have taken the data, and this data is used throughout the research. So this is all for the presentation. Thank you.